Intraday trading strategies for experienced traders. This presentation covers effective strategies for intraday traders. We will cover opening range breakouts and VWAP pullbacks. We'll also explore moving average crossovers and RSI, MACD momentum. Finally, we will explain demand and supply zone trading. First strategy is opening range breakout, ORB. Strategy, time frame, 5 or 15-minute chart. Steps, mark high-low of first 15 minutes. Break above high, go long. Break below low, go short. Stop loss, for long. Below breakout candles low, for short. Above breakout candles high. Target, 1:1 or 1:2 risk-reward ratio. Second strategy is VWAP pullback strategy. Time frame 5 or 15-minute chart. VWAP acts as support resistance. Above VWAP. Pullback near VWAP. Buy RSI above 50 confirms. Below VWAP. Pullback near VWAP. Sell RSI below 50 confirms. Third strategy. Moving average crossover. 9 EMA and 21 EMA. Time frame 5-minute chart. Moving averages. Use 9 period and 21 period EMAs. 9 EMA crosses above 21 EMA. Go long. Confirm with volume spike or MACD crossover. 9 EMA crosses below 21 EMA. Go short. Confirm with volume spike or MACD crossover. Fourth strategy is RSI and MACD momentum strategy. Time frame 5 or 15-minute chart. Indicators RSI 14 period and MACD 12-26-9. RSI above 60 and bullish MACD. Go long. Best in trending markets. RSI below 40 and bearish MACD. Go short. Best in trending markets. 5 strategy is demand and supply zone trading. Time frame 5 or 15-minute chart. Identify zones. Use price action. Find support and resistance levels. Supply zone, short trades. Demand zone, long trades.